chicken wings infused with bold Asian flavors and the earthy richness of shiitake mushrooms. Today's Madalicious recipe, steamed Oriental wings with shiitake mushrooms. It's always nice to be here on Madalicious in Every Meal. From San Miguel Foods Home Foodie, I am V-Boy Miranda. Enjoy kami lagi dito to share our madali plus delicious recipes. Itong recipe natin, bagay na bagay pang ulam or appetizer, pati na rin pang merienda. Alam naman natin na ang chicken wings, always a treat yan. And for the star of the show, Magnolia Chicken Templados Oriental Wings. Sarap made easy kasi templado na. Now, take a screenshot of our complete list of ingredients for the Madalicious dish. We're ready to cook, guys. Prepare your steamer. Add water and let that come to a boil. A few tips here. You can use a rice cooker that has a steamer basket if you wish. We're ready to cook, guys. Add cornstarch to the marinated wings and mix until these are well coated. Combine ginger, mushrooms, and half of the green onions in a bowl. Transfer wings and mushroom mixture into a wide and shallow heat-proof dish and then place in the steamer. Steam the wings for 20 minutes or until they are fully cooked. Ayan, we are ready to serve. But before serving, let's garnish the dish a bit. Sprinkle the remaining green onions on the top of the chicken. And there you go, steamed chicken wings with shiitake mushrooms. For this Madalicious recipe, you are welcome to use any type of mushrooms. Try this madali and delicious recipe and tell us what you think. Tag us with hashtag Madalicious on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok so we can see how you shared this recipe with family and friends. Until our next kitchen adventure, have a Madalicious day!